Alright guys, so this is mode number 1. There's multiple modes, and in person the color looks even better. So we're going to go ahead, and on here there's a button that you press and it allows you to change the different modes. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So for today's video we're checking out these Cornhole LED lights. So these are Cornhole board lights, and you would mount them on your Cornhole game. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you might think I'm crazy. But there's a game that you basically use beanbags, and you have these two slanted boards, one on one end, one on the other end, and you throw these beanbags and try and get it inside the hole for extra points, or on the board for points. They give you all the screws and manual. You get a remote. And this basically just makes your cornhole boards super awesome at in the evening and at nighttime. So you can actually play your game at night with this. So you got two remotes and you got two set of cables. Now these cables are battery operated, so it makes it portable. So all you have to do is mount this, and they give you everything needed. Mount it on your boards and you are good to go. So I do want to point something out. Because it is lightweight, the line is, you don't have to use the screws and mounting brackets that they give you. You can actually use double-sided tape. This double-sided tape allows you to run it however you want because it's such lightweight. And if you get the transparent double-sided tape, you know, you won't even notice that the tape's on there. So that's what I personally like to do instead of screwing it in. But you can, they give you all the screws and all the brackets and everything needed. Okay guys, so it looks like it takes 3 AA batteries, and again, I'm happy that it's battery operated, because if it's wired, then you gotta run a cable to it or something else. So battery operated makes it much easier and portable when you're going anywhere. So here we go. You have it turned on. So there is a button on here, and we're going to show you guys how it looks in a darker area. So I just wanted to get this set up. Let's go ahead and show you. And again guys, in person the colors are way better than what you can see. In person it is really nice. Like, the LEDs are really nice. Another mode here. So this looks like it just stays red. I wish the cameras could pick up how beautiful the colors really are. So we got red. We got like an orange color. We have a more yellow color. I know it looks white on the camera. That's a downfall of that's a downfall of cameras. So here we got like a green, a more green, deeper green, headed towards blue. So it looks like you got a bunch of different colors as far as in the color. Wow, this is actually really nice. Like, you got all these different transition colors. So here's another mode where it just kind of goes back and forth. I know I keep saying it guys, but in person, way better. The colors are way nicer. So, tons of different modes here. I even, you can almost see the colors a little better with the light on. So, and all these different effects as well. Now, in person, in the dark, you can see the colors perfectly. So, it's just, you know, cameras seem to have issues. All these different settings. Overall, love them.